So first on our list, we're going to do this Hello Cutie scented bubble bath. It's cherry blossom scented. So I just need to open it like that. So far I can't smell anything coming from the product. Alright, so instead of letting the bubble bath wait, I'm going to put it in now. I can't even get it out, honestly. I keep squeezing it. Nothing's coming out. On my hands now, but I can't get it out of the package, so I'm gonna have to find a new strategy. Alright, so I had to go get my pocket knife or my box cutter, so that's how we're gonna get this open. Oh, okay, I got it. Yeah, puncturing it was like the only way. And now it's empty. It's already bubbling up to some extent here. Oh my god, it's hot. Yeah. So that's some bubbles. That's some bubble action. Like building up down there. So I should just sit here and enjoy it. Alright, so let's talk body wash. I usually don't use body wash, I usually just use soap, but check this out. My favorite video game is also body wash. Now we got a little bit of an unboxing here. Alright, so let's see. So Luigi here is berry flavor, Mario's watermelon, and Yoshi is mango. So kind of like the bubble bath, I really don't smell a thing, but let's open it, you know. Oh, okay, so this isn't even the cap, this is just completely pointless. So let's open up the real cap here. Okay, so it smells like an apple. Yeah, they should have called this apple flavored instead of mango. Mario's does smell like watermelon, so that's so far so good. Now for Luigi. This also smells like an apple. I guess these double as bath toys. I'm gonna throw them in the water. We can play with those later. It's not pouring out. Oh, there we go. Whoa! Okay, that's way too much. Alright, so this is berry, I think. Yeah, so let's... is this... That smells pretty good. It's pretty nice. Let's give this a shot. Ooh, okay. Rub that in. That smells really good. Yeah, it smells like gum, kinda. You know, like watermelon flavored gum. This is the one I wanted to smell the best, but it just smells like apple, so. Okay, it's yellow. Yellow body wash. Yeah, it really doesn't smell like a mango at all. It smells like apple. Apple juice. And just like that, it's gone. So yeah, as a bath toy, it's like you know, it's okay, but I'm more concerned about how it is as a body wash, so I'm going to put a score on the screen, and that's how I will feel about it later when I'm smelling myself once I'm out of the bath. Mom, could you tell me how I smell? Just around here.
I really don't smell anything.
You don't smell anything?
No.
Okay, good, good. These are a gift from my good friend Joe, and they are Christmas-themed bath bombs, so, you know, it's August, it's time for me to actually put these to use, so I'm just gonna throw them all in, okay? Oh no! Yeah, this smells like you know those fake cigarette candies? Like, this kind of smells like that, so. Here goes one. Smells the same. Vamonos. Plastic. Okay, that's 3. That's 3 bombs. Yeah, oh my gosh, look at this thing. It's like blowing up. Ah, my hands are so oily now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I mean, there's some action going on here. These things are dissolving. Kind of slowly, but you know, whatever. Get some action, just put it right under the hot water. Ow, oh my gosh, too hot. The water is turning like yellow. Look at this. Yes, that is some yellow water. And I swear I did not pee in it, but it is making the water kind of oily. In fact, pretty dang oily. Like, my hands are like... Alright, so this thing's disintegrating. Yeah. Crunch it up. These things. What was this? Oh, is this the Christmas tree? It must be. Oh, now it's not. Ah. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how does it feel? Well, the answer is very oily. Like, I was probably not supposed to put in all 3 at the same time, like, because, you know, all of the oil. But, you know, life goes on. When I was adjusting the tripod, I actually almost slipped a few times. So, safety tip is to not do this. What do you think of the bath bombs, Luigi and Yoshi and Mario? Okay. Well, as for the bubble bath, that kind of has declined since I put it in, actually. I'd probably need like a few of them to get like a real bubble bath where the whole tub is covered. For $1, I wouldn't pay that much because, well, first of all, I needed to puncture it with a box cutter to actually activate the process. In addition to that, I haven't smelled any scent from it since I've opened it. I think even when I did open it, I didn't smell anything. So yeah. And now for the 3 Christmas bath bombs. Oiliness, well, there's a lot of oil in it. Let it be known, don't put 3 of them at the same time. I feel like a slippery frog. I feel like a worm digging in the ground. Like, I feel pretty good. It's been a while since I've had a bath though, so maybe that's why. Bath bombs, I'm gonna go 1 out of 5.